Hey everyone, this is cabin 5802. This is a family ocean view. As you first come in, you have your closets over here on your left-hand side. There's two right here. So you'd have some hanging and you're safe in a couple drawers. Same thing on this side right here. And then you have another nook right here for all hanging. And I think you might be able to put some of your luggage there as well. Coming further in, there's a desk area here with a lighted mirror. You got one US, USB A and C, European, and another US power there. Mini fridge there, drawer, and again, that does light up. Across from here, you have your sofa that converts to a bed. This would be the family part. These little lights also have US A and C, US power on that side. Coming down to the bed, you do have a king, or it could be two twins if you wanted separated. I'll go down there a little bit further. I forgot to talk about the TV, which does, as you see, move around a bit, so you can either have it facing the bed or facing the living room. This is an ocean view, so you do have a nice big porthole, and my guess is it was a lot of waves slapping up against that on this past trip.
I imagine there was.
Yep. All right, let's go look at the bathroom. So this is a good-sized bathroom, just like the rest of the cabins on this ship. Nice big sink, lighted mirror. There's power up there. Toilet in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", and a really nice walk-in shower. Nice rain shower head right there. So there's your family ocean view. See you on the next one. Ciao.